Hello guys, we are from team Happy Learnerholics and let us look into today's problem. The question goes like this. We have to get two integers x and y as the input and then print the smallest possible even integer using all the digits in the x and y. If such a number is not possible, then we have to print -1. The input is nothing but two integers x and y and the output must be the smallest possible integer we are able to form using the digits present in x and y. If such a number is not possible, then we have to print -1. Let us solve the problem. Let us take 3004 and 560 as the input and then form a list of digits using the inputs. With this list, we can form a lot of even numbers, but our goal is to form the smallest possible even number. To find such a result, we have to keep three things in mind. The result must start with the smallest digit present in this list. Then if there are any zeros in this list, it has to trail the smallest digit. And finally, we have to end the result with the largest even number present in this list. There's a small example below, like the smallest number in this list is 3 and it is trailed with 3 zeros, and then the remaining non-zero numbers are appended with this number, and the largest even integer is put in the last. So among the many possibilities, we are able to easily find the smallest possible even number. Let us solve the problem. Let a and b be the two input integers, and we have to form list C which contains all the digits present in a and b. To do so, we are converting a and b into string, and then we concatenate them here. Using this concatenated string, we are forming the list. Here list E is nothing but all the even integers present in list C. We have to check whether there are any even integers present in this list. If there are no even integers, then we directly print -1. If there are even integers, then we split list C into two lists, namely a zero list and a without zero list. Zero list consists of all the zeros present in C, whereas the without zero list consists of all the non-zero numbers. Then we convert all the numbers present in the without zero list to string. After that, we find the maximum even integer present in the list E. If the last integer is not equal to 0, then we remove that number in the without zero list, but before that we have to convert it into string. If the last integer is 0, then we have to remove just one 0 from this list, and then we have to initialize last int into 0. Now we have to sort the without zero list, and after sorting, we have to initialize string D with the 0th element in the without zero list, and then we have to concatenate it with all the zeros present in the list 0. After that, we have to append it with all the non-zero numbers present in the without zero list, and finally we have to end the string with the last integer by converting it into string. Thank you guys.